students, we are discussing, say, quantum mechanical model of atom. Welcome to this session. In this session, let us learn how to fill the orbitals with electrons. While filling up of electrons in orbitals, we have to take into account various rules. Say, Aufbau principle should be followed, Hund's rule should be followed, Pauli's exclusion principle should be followed. So all these things will be taken into account. In this session, let us discuss about Aufbau principle. Now, what is meant by Aufbau principle? First, let us learn what is that word called Aufbau. See, Aufbau, they say, is a German word which means building up. So, building up is a German word which means building up. So, remember that this is not the name of a person, okay? So, it's a German word which means building up. According to Aufbau principle, the statement says like this, that is in the ground state of the atoms. In the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in the order of their increasing energies. So this is the statement. In the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in the order of their increasing energies. So while filling up of the orbitals with electrons, now we have to see that the lower energy orbitals are filled up first. So that is a rule. So based on their increasing energies, means that one with the lower energy will be filled first. After filling up of the energy, of the electrons with the orbital, then the next orbital will be filled. So this is the statement according to Aufbau principle. So in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in the order of their increasing energies. Now when we learn this Aufbau principle, we have learnt in the previous session regarding N plus L rule, because this Aufbau principle is in accordance with N plus L rule. Therefore, you have to simultaneously learn this particular value or this particular rule called N plus L rule. This link is given in the description column. You do watch that so that you can have a better understanding regarding what is this N plus L rule, why we have to go for the N plus L rule, what if two orbitals have same N plus value. All those things are discussed in that video. So that the link is given in the description. You can watch that. Now let us come into that concept of again Aufbau principle. Let us first of all learn the order of the energies, that is which orbital has less energy, which orbital has more energy. So that to remember that, I just give you a small hint like thing. See, you remember these numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number, you have to remember it like remembering a phone number 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again, let me remember. Let me recall you. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what is this number and why we should remember this number? Let me tell you. See, this is the shortest way that you can remember about which orbital has less energy, which orbital has more energy. Accordingly, you can write. See, when a number comes for the first time, you have to write S. See, 1S. So, you know what are all the orbitals available. That is already we have discussed in quantum numbers. See, we have 1S orbital, 2S and 2P, and 3S, 3P, 3D, 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F. Likewise, we have 5S orbital, 5P, 5D and 5F orbitals. Likewise, we have 6S, 6P, 6D, 6F, 7S and so on. So, these are all the orbitals available. So among these orbitals, the orbital with the lowest energy will be 1s. So because you see the order. When a number comes for the first time, you see when a number comes for first time, you write S. If a number comes for second time, write P. If a number comes for third time, write D. If a number comes for fourth time, write F. So using that hint, let me elaborate now. See here 1 comes for the first time, so I am writing 1s. 2 comes for the first time, so I am writing 2s. Again 2 comes for second time, so 2P. 3 comes for say first time, I am writing 3S. See 3 comes for the second time, so I am writing 3P. Again 4 comes for first time, so write 4S. 3 comes for third time, so I am writing 3B. Again see 4 comes for second time, so 4P. 5 comes for first time, 5S. 4 comes for third time, so 4D. 5 comes for second time, so 5P. 6 comes for first time. So I am writing, say 6s. See, 4 comes for 1 to 4th time. So if it comes for 4th time, write F. Then 5 comes for 3rd time. So 3rd time means D. 5D. Then 6 comes for 2nd time. Therefore 6P. 7 comes for first time. So write 7S. So I hope you have understood what I said. So when a number comes for the first time, you give S. If a number comes for 2nd time, write P. Likewise it goes on. So here 1, 2, 2. So 1S, 2S, 2P. We have written. Likewise I have given for everything. Now you have to put a less than symbol in between. See. So put a less than symbol here. This shows that among the given lot of orbitals, this 1s orbital has the lowest energy and the 7s orbital has the highest energy. So while filling the electrons with orbitals with electrons, what you need to know, as discussed in the Aufbau principle, they are filled up in the order of the increasing energy. So the one with the lowest energy will be filled first. After filling up of that orbital, you have to proceed for the next orbital in this order. So suppose if, let us say, we have 5 electrons. Let us consider say boron atom. Let me tell you how to write. See, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So this you will learn in electronic configuration of atoms and in Hund's rule. Just quick review. So this 5 corresponds to see 2 electrons, 1 electron. This is the lowest energy. Next will be this one. After filling up of this s orbital, and then next higher energy orbital will be filled. So in this way, we can learn about this Aufbau principle. In continuation of this Aufbau principle, we have to learn Hund's rule that we will be discussing in the next video. Thanks for watching.